Hello, today we're going to talk about needs and why they are important in dementia care. Every human has a number of physical and psychological needs which must be met in order to maintain a good sense of well-being. When these needs are not met, we experience feelings of discomfort or distress. This is true for everyone, including people with dementia. However, people with dementia can sometimes find it difficult to express their needs, so they are often left unmet, and the distress this causes can result in behaviours that challenge. So, how do we solve this issue? By being aware of fundamental human needs, we can gain insight into what might be causing distress in a person's life, and we can take steps to meet their needs. So what are these fundamental human needs? Imagine you are stranded, naked, on a desert island with no way off. You're allowed to bring 8 items with you to make your time on the island more bearable. What 8 things would you bring? Now keep these items in mind as we go through the 8 fundamental needs and see where your items might fit in. The first need is physical comfort and freedom from pain. If you chose to bring clothes, food, or first aid to the island, they would fulfill this need. Pain relief is particularly important in dementia care, as studies have found that the majority of people over 65 are experiencing some kind of pain. If a person is repeatedly asking for help, refusing to eat, or crying, these may be an indication that they are in pain, and this need is not being met. Another need we have is for the perception of safety. If you chose to bring weapons or shelter to the island, this may identify your need to feel safe. Confusion in dementia can lead to people feeling unsure or unsafe, and if someone displays behaviour such as following people around and aggression, this could be an attempt to protect themselves. Most humans have a need for positive touch. We derive pleasure from meaningful physical touch such as holding hands, hugging, or a reassuring hand on the shoulder. Older adults are often deprived of positive touch, and for many, this need is unmet. If you chose to bring a loved one to the island, it might be to fulfill this need. Another reason you might bring a loved one is to meet a need for love and belonging. You may have also chosen to bring a pet or a way of contacting home such as a phone. Humans are social beings by nature, and feeling lonely or isolated can cause us distress. Unfortunately, these feelings are common in dementia. If you notice behaviours that challenge, such as excessively hugging or touching others, it might suggest they need a sense of love and belonging. People also have esteem needs, or in other words, a need to feel good about themselves and to be treated with dignity and respect. If you chose to bring clothes and makeup, this may have been to meet your esteem needs. Dementia strips people of their self-esteem and leaves people unable to do many of the things they used to, so it's important to be mindful of this need. We also need to have control over our environment, in other words, freedom, independence, and choice. On the island, objects that represent this might be a boat to help you escape, or tools to control the environment with. Carers have a duty to keep people safe, so sometimes we have to take away a bit of independence, so this need can be unmet. If you chose to bring books, music, or games to the island, you might be trying to meet the human need for fun. We all share a need to laugh and play, and that goes for people with dementia too. If someone appears bored, depressed, or withdrawn, they might need to have some fun. The final need is occupation and exploration, to exercise curiosity. Tools on the island might fulfill this need. You may notice people demanding to go to work, excessively walking, or mimicking past jobs. These things might indicate a need for occupation. So these are the 8 fundamental needs: physical comfort and freedom from pain, perception of safety, positive touch, love and belonging, esteem needs, control over the environment and possessions, fun, and occupation and exploration. Try and be mindful of these needs when someone you care for is distressed, and see what you can do to meet them. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video useful.